this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel I am trying two new products that are completely new to me. The ABH foundation and the KKW Beauty Creme Contour and Highlighter set. So let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi. So testing out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation in 250C. This is what I was swatched and I felt that this disappears into my skin. It feels like second skin to me. And what's special about this foundation is that it's vegan, it's gluten-free, alcohol-free, clinically tested, dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. It's non-comedogenic, it doesn't clog your pores. It's suitable for sensitive skin. It is long wearing, and the most important thing for me is that it has no flashback. If you're somebody who faces flash photography quite a bit as a part of your job, then this would be something that is important to you, because a lot of the foundations and the powders that we have massive flashback issues. So it actually looks like lights are going off from your face, which is not a good thing. It's not pretty when flash photography is going off. So I am just using a damp beauty blender to blend this in. And that's that. This is I really liked how this foundation felt against my skin. It's really it's light, but it just feels like I'm not wearing anything much. It still gives me coverage, and when I tested this out at Sephora, I really liked it, and this is one of the foundations that I did want to try from the time this was announced. So I also saw that the KKW contour and highlight set is here, so I picked up the one in medium. Medium, I think it's called. Yeah, it is medium, and I'm going to just follow the exact instructions that is there in the pack. Just going to channel the inner Kim, if I even have it. Okay, so it looks like I opened the highlighter set instead. I think this is slightly closer. This is a coffee-ish shade. This is closer to the Hula Light, I think, that I would ideally use. So let me go ahead. So I'm just going in exactly how she's gone in with the contour stick. It is pretty creamy, and I think this would be my light contour game. And it's pretty cool to, because it's kind of pointed, kind of cool to go around your nose with this. You don't really need a brush, unless and until you use your fingers and you're quite an expert. It doesn't smell like anything, just that it smells like one of those lipstick brands that oops, there I go. I'm very smart. I went and closed it with this in a different lid. Ha, smart girl. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video is that I'm going to take the darker side and use it on this side of my face, so that you have a general idea as to how this works. Right. So I will now take my beauty blender and blend this in. This is the light side of the contour stick, and this is the darker side. So let me blend this out as well. My nose, of course, has the same shade on both sides, and I'm stippling my beauty blender. So you will see how the contour stick medium works on my skin right here. This is the darker side, and this is the lighter side. Now let's go in with the highlighter, and she has a shimmery highlighter, and this one I think is like a concealer stick of sorts. So let's go down with this. probably go in with the shimmery one right about here. And over my brow bone. And on top of my cupid's bow. It's actually completely fragrance free. This is quite interesting to me. I'll take a clean side of the beauty blender and blend this all in. So I've actually gone in with the foundation, the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and gone in with full contour game. So this is how it looks at the end of it all. I've used a foundation and the contour kit in both the contouring and the highlighting set in medium, and this is the finished look with regard to just the contouring. I'm just going to add a blush and a light lipstick so that you understand how this would be if this look were to be complete. With the RMS Beauty lip to cheek. I usually like to kind of drape my blush right up to my temple, and whatever is remaining I just take a little bit on top of my nose so that it gives this really sweet sun-kissed vibe. Going in back with the beauty blender to actually blend this in, and that's that. So let me come right back.